fucking wanker.
Yeah, Dano.
We go away and you go all the way overseas, you've been training for ages, you get to surf one heat, you fucking fuck it up and then you're out. Because no one surfed a perfect heat, that's for sure.
There's always a powerful part of the movement and then there's always a controlled, stay connected. Set the tone on the first one, nice, Duffy. Yes, Riley, nice, guys, breathe. Come on, boys, stay in it. Don't pull up short.
Few heads down here this morning. It's cool because a couple of the original crew that started training with me like 6 years ago, 5-6 years ago. Just cool. Riley's one, Dane's one, and yeah, Marzi's tapped in now. It's cool. Some old crew, some new crew. It's gonna be a fun morning.
Stoked everyone got down here. This is the thing that I want to start trying to make it now is 2026 coming on. If we can get this sort of showing and just start to rip in, and just I can tell everyone's down here, the waves are small but the intensity's still there, and that's what I want to see. No matter what, we're just going to get it done, and we're here to help each other. Iron sharpens iron, that's what we're doing. We want this sort of group to just feed off each other and get it done. We're all going to the same place. Main thing, we're going to do a little straight up, just get out there like a warm-up heat to begin with. Main focus is all of us just being together and feeding off each other's energy.
He knows.
How is it?
A little bit of head noise leaking in, but it's all good. Flush out of the way.
Head noise?
Dana got on my head a little bit, but there was a little incident at the start. I thought I had priority. I think I still did. And J-Boy went, and I thought it was an interference, and that kind of rattled me for the heat, so I waited for a bit of priority. Never know. We're still talking about this, you know. How's that, you know, bro? 1000% sure I had priority, but who knows? Who knows? Hey, that's what they call a triangle, Marzi.
What was going on there?
Dude, I had priority. Jay caught away.
Marzi had prior.
Oh, come on.
You just caught a wave before.
I thought it was before the heat. No, dude. The heat was on.
That was well in a heat.
Riles was the only one that had priority over me. Well, no, had priority mutual with me. And then he went the first wave of that set, and I went the... So Jay should
I was honestly a bit confused. I thought if you had priority, you would have said something before you actually took off.
It's still priority. We should know this. It's a given. It's on like Donkey Kong, and I had priority in that situation.
Oh, I just had no idea that you had priority.
Interference.
Yeah, no, I got a triangle here. He's got a triangle. Sorry, bro. Yeah.
This is the new fucking rival.
That's it. Fully.
Every session, mate.
I told you that was
triangle getting thrown out.
Triangle.
So if you're going to do, if they're going to be punts, they've got to be on big sections. They're going to be reverses, got to be on big sections. I'd love big turns on big sections because everyone's going to try doing little spinners. You give, like Riley did, you give me a big turn, Jesse as well. Caught a couple of big carp, didn't quite get an end turn. You get 2 big turns on those little waves out there, you're getting scores. That easy. Or 1 big turn and a reverse, get it done. Easy. Yep. So what I want to do now is a little bit of something different. I'm going to put some cards out. When I put the cards down, whatever card you pick up is going to be the first wave. You have to get that score or higher. If you don't get it on your first wave, you've got to come in, do 20 push-ups, go back out. Then your heat starts, okay? So I'm going to do you guys a favour and take the 8s out of the pack because it's going to be too hard. Right, it's only for your first wave. Okay, so you have to wait. So if you get a 2 for your first wave, you have to get at least a 2. right? If you fall off and get a 1, you come into the beach and then your heat starts. It's mainly to get you guys to focus on getting a good first wave or being disciplined enough to know what the wave looks like. So if you pick a 6, like you can't take off on anything other than a good looking wave. And then,
Get your 20 push-ups done.
and then it's all right. So if you don't get it and come and get your 20 push, then you just go back and the heat continues, right? Do you get it? Just take off your leggies and put your boards behind you.
Facing where?
Facing me. It's like flags. And it's going to be, okay guys, so it's going to be down, up, down. And when I say go, you've got to go. Ready? Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, go! Oh, you fucking wanker! What happened, my brother? Let's go!
Get it, Dana. Flip on your head.
What's going on, Dane?
You know what?
I'm not actually too stressed.
Because all these lads, like I said before, cut to them doing push-ups. Marzi and Jay. Cut to me. Actually, no. Cut to me doing it straight out.
Get out there, mate!
From the last one.
Guys took his leggy off his board.
He's a prankster. That's so cold.
That was good. I like it. It was good. But Dane didn't get rattled. That was sick. He just goes, you know
rattle
what?
him.
He goes, you know what? That's all right. That's fine. That's
Yep,
fine.
that's
Fine.
sick.
I was like, yes, bro.
Here goes Pius.
Nice. Push a little harder. Oh, a little link up. Oh, he milked
What
it.
did he need?
He milked it.
What did he need?
He needed a 5. Oh,
A 4?
what's that, a 4? Oh!
I don't reckon it was quite a 4.
3-5.
No, I reckon it probably was a 4, but fuck, he didn't get push-up.
It's for
That's
being
what he
late.
gets from all that rock and roll bullshit. Almost 3-6. You needed a 4, mate.
Oh, yes. Good form, lads. All the way down.
Good stuff, Caius. Should have taken that other board out.
Dane, 2 1s.
Keeps falling. He's going for punts and just keeps falling. That 3-2, like that would have been like a 5-5. He did a jam in the pocket. Then he just had to do either a little punt. He went for a big blowtail and fell again.
So he only needed a 3, right?
Dano.
So what do you reckon's... Because you talked about the discipline side
Yeah.
before. You reckon it's the discipline, eh?
He's trying to get him out of that, like just get what you need. Like it's just getting too caught up in the moment and just going for huge scores all the time.
So a little bit more just understanding what's
Yeah,
required and
yeah.
what the situation is.
What the situation is. Yeah. Like get your scores, Jesse. Oh,
that was
straighty.
cool.
That was
Straighty,
cool.
That was sick.
Yeah.
What, a 4 for that?
Yeah, I reckon. That's it. But you know, that last, in the waves that he had, he needed a 7 with 30 seconds to go. And he said to me, like when he took off on that wave, he was like, what do I need? Do I surf it to a 7 or do I just go, fuck it, on just fucking blast it? He just goes, fuck it, on blasting this thing. And he got a 9. But he had to.
He had to. In the situation, yeah.
In the situation, yeah. What a bit of discipline does Dano. So Dano opened up with a 6 and then a 5 straight away. But it was the thing that I liked the most is just after that you weren't looking at anything that looked under that, you know. So that was, yeah, that's what it was all about. Caius ended up coming second. Unless it just came down to wave quality and wave size. It was hard to, like, if you had slightly smaller than anyone else, just to try to get a score up into the 5s, it just wasn't going to happen. So it was a matter of being patient, picking the right wave with the right amount of size, and then executing. I only needed a couple of good turns really to get the scores. Jesse got one right at the end, but it was after the buzzer, but it was a good one. Waves deteriorated a little bit in the last block then, that one. This is why we're here. It's about, the main thing I think for everyone, it's about consistency, hey? Like I remember last time Jay had a screen, he was on fire. The thing with surfing, hey, everyone seems to have their moments of rhythm. Riley killed it today, bro. Really good, mate. Super consistent. Yeah, probably the most consistent. Riles, sick. Well done. That's what we're here for and what we've got to keep showing up for. You're never going to get the consistency if you don't show up. Keep each other accountable for where we want to go and what we want to do. Or else we're just showing up for what? Showing up for anything. We're not going anywhere. Yeah, we're just coming down just to have a kid out. But the main thing, everyone's got their goals, different goals, but share them with each other and we just keep going. Let's fucking go! Come on! Good session, boys.
That was heavy.
Come on, Nazi.
Not at this level.
Oh!
Come on, Ilya.
Oh, the flying.
He just got rocked.
We've just wrapped up at the beach and we've just come back to HQ to have a little training sessions, but the boys are upstairs just going through a little bit of film from the session with Duffy, just taking them through some coaching cues. They'll be up there for 20 minutes, half an hour, they'll come down, we'll get loose again, we'll move a little, and then we'll get into our session. So just planning out a little session for the boys. This is the second week, the second full week. So came back for a week before that, but that was a pretty light week. So this is kind of like our second full week. Last week was more about connection to movement, just getting reconnected with the body. We hadn't trained for a little while. So this week is about increasing the load a little bit, going a little bit more deep with some of their movements in terms of load. And yeah, excited to see how the boys progress through this week and the next. So the boys warm up today. They've warmed up once already. So they've had a warm up before their surf. They've surfed, they've come out of the surf, they've had some lunch. So this next warm up, we're not gonna spend too long, depending on how the boys are feeling and where they're feeling tight or where they might need a little bit more attention. It'll be a quicker warm up today, given it's not the first thing they've done. So just getting the body reconnected with their movement is the main thing. Just to focus on connection to movement today, bro.
That was all right. There you go, out.
Smooth in. Yes, exactly. I like the hands coming on the way in too. Just takes a little bit of load. Yep. So you're going to rotate just a little bit towards me. Just a little bit. There, that's it. Too much. Yep. Just there. And then drop as deep as you can. You go down a little deeper. There, brother. There. Think about driving from less arms, Duff, and more hips. So more, watch my hips here. When you turn here, watch my hips. Yes, brother. That's the power. Awesome. Get the zip around the corner. Fucking whoop it. That's it, brother. Drive with the legs. Drive with the legs. That's it. Nice, bro. First 2 sets, find your rhythm. Next, second 2, really start to get some fast. 2 speeds. Fast there, control. Yeah, exactly. Yep. 2 tempos. Ethan Ewing, yeah. Tempo, man. And that's the thing that I want to stay these next 2 weeks, Dana. Like just every single movement you're doing. Riley, 2 arms extended. 2 arms extended. Yep. Yeah, Dano, every single movement you're doing, think about 2 tempos. Even on this one, control. Yep. Nice, guys. Boom. Tempo everything, lads. Tempo everything. There's always a powerful part of the movement and then there's always a controlled, slower part of the movement. You guys got to figure out where they are. Stay connected. Nice, guys. Awesome. Now the boys are on. Here we go. Step out a little further, brother. Step out. Yep, good. And when the hands come back, feel all that tension. Just kind of feel it. And then I want you to drive from here. Oos. Good. Pause. Drive into my hand. Yes, brother. Good. Good. On this one, watch me here. So now that you've got the drive going, now I want you to think about spinning on the top more. So instead of shifting all the way there, think about spinning on the top. Yes, that's the next step. There we go. That's it. We've got the coach in the house. Coach. Yes. A little flex. Coaches, yeah. Oh. So the power's good. I just want to see a little bit more control up and over. So your power is good here, okay? But just so if this is a 9 out of 10 in terms of speed, bring it back to like a 6 or a 7 here, and then whoosh, 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 instead of whoosh, whoosh. See how you just kind of lose the momentum if you try and rush that top part? Slow it down at the top. Slow, slow, power. That's better, much better. Just remember that little rotation, Jesse. Just a subtle one towards me, little one. There, that's good, man, really good. Now as you rotate, think about that connection down into your ribs. Strong core, good, good. Boys, just on this chest, you guys here next, just try to keep the angle of the weight 45 degrees, okay? So we don't want to be here. Wherever the angle of the dumbbell is, it's going to set the angle for the elbow. See how my elbow's flared? We don't want to be too wide, it puts too much stress on the shoulder. We don't want to be too narrow, because then we're coming too tight, it's too much triceps. It's 45 degrees. See that angle of the elbow there? That's a healthy position for the shoulders. There, good amount of chest, good amount of triceps. Cool. Gonna see if you can pause there. See how your shoulders are twisted? Because your hand's high. Bring your hand down, down. Now see how you're squarer? I want you to try and maintain that shape the whole time. Yeah, don't reach and open up through the chest. Let the hand come down, much better. Good, now think about that connection from the ribs down to the hips. There we go, bro. Squeeze to get up. So load the hammy, load the glute, and then squeeze, 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 squeeze. Come up with a bit of power on this one. Up, whoosh, there we go. It's better. Yeah, Jason. We've got a conditioning set to finish, another 10 minutes max. It's 20 seconds on, think 80%, but the intensity is pretty high. Then 10 seconds rest, times 4. 1, let's go boys, let's go. First set, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Yes, Dolphin. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Set the tone on the first one. Nice, Duffy. Yes, Riley. Nice, guys. Breathe, 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 breathe. This is for the boys on the bikes. 2, 1, rest. Rest. You guys are going again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is number 3. Let's go. 2, 1. Let's go. Finish it, boys. Finish it. Finish it. Finish it. Yes. Come on, boys. Stay in it. Don't pull up short. Great work. Yes, Caius. 10 seconds. Wow. Yes, brother. That's a tone setter right there. That's a tone setter. 1, let's get behind them. Yes, boys. Yes, boys. Yes, boys. Get them home, lads. Come on, Jesse. Go, Dane. Yes, boys. Let's go. That's the boy. Let's go, brother. Fuck yeah.
That's right.
Yes, coach. Nice work. That was awesome. That's the environment I think Duffy and I have been talking about. Like today was a really good example, hey Duff, of like, I feel like I'm in a room full of killers, you know, and I mean that in a competitive sense. It's like everyone can feel the energy of where everyone's trying to get to. As Duffy said today, we've all got our individual goals of what we're trying to accomplish, but ultimately we're all heading in that same direction. We come into this environment with that same mindset of it's not just about you, it's about helping everybody else and sharing and supporting. It's such an amazing environment to be a part of. We're all going to benefit from it. So well done, boys.